subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung launched its new 5G-enabled phone under F-series in India called Galaxy F54. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy F54 5G features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED Plus display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The phone comes powered by Exynos 1380 chipset, paired with Mali G68 MP5 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Galaxy F54 5G sports a triple camera setup on the rear, that houses a 108-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with f2.2 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens, with f2.4 aperture. For selfies it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13, based on One UI 5.1 skin on top, and it is equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 25 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.9 by 77.3 by 8.4 millimeters, and it weighs around 199 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy F54 5G has been priced in India at 29,999 Indian rupees. And it will be available for purchase in Meteor Blue and Stardust Silver color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy F54 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.